Well, after Christmas, y'all, we know that we're all guilty of eating too much. So I thought a cauliflower dish would be nice. To me, a cauliflower is the closest thing to a potato. And those of y'all that know me know how much I love a tater. I love it so good. So I have cut me a cauliflower steak, and I'm gonna take my butter and a tablespoon of olive oil. Okie doke. These sleeves ain't working too good. All right, so folks have asked me what I've been doing. Isn't that right, Eddie, Teresa? Hadn't people been asking me what I'm doing?
You always ask me what you do.
I know. Well, we are really focused on my YouTube channel. Trying to get with y'all on recipes, and it's not always a recipe, but and I've been working on something else that's really big. And maybe by the time this comes out, you will have heard about it. So y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna saute this for about 8 minutes, this onion, and I'm gonna add the garlic now. You gotta love some garlic. So you just need to stir this occasionally because you don't want your garlic to burn. So this is gonna be our cream sauce for our cauliflower. And this is an air fryer recipe, which makes it so easy and so good. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna see, I got a hair that's, what we're gonna do is season this. We're gonna spray it with a spray because, when you use your air fryer, it's a very important step that you spray that because it'll make that outside crispy. A little salt, a little pepper. And we're going to gently turn those over. Uh-oh, I just lost a kernel. Okie doke. A little bit more salt, a little bit more pepper. And in the air fryer it goes. And the beginning of our sauce looks good. So I'm gonna put this in the air fryer, let me see, 375 degrees, and we're gonna air fry it for 5 minutes. And then we're gonna turn it and cook it a little bit more. Oh, there it is. Teresa moved that down here, Eddie, so you'd be able to catch me. And she's already got it on 375. So here we go. I couldn't do without my air fryer. Could not do without it. Okay, I'm fixing to. I'll lose that one if I'm not careful. So 5 minutes on 375. Now, air fryers are like ovens. You'll have to play with yours to get it just right because, temperatures are all different. But we've got that set on 5 minutes. All right. I'm gonna flip it over. Oops. Come on, don't come apart on me now. Don't you do it. Ooh. Kind of came apart a little bit, but that's all right. It'll still eat the same. I love this olive oil. little container. We didn't have it in Savannah, but I know it's in Nashville. All right, so we're gonna do it for another, I got it for about 7 minutes. But like I said, it just depends. And I bumped that up to 400. A half of an 8-ounce package of cream cheese that's softened. And I've got 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream. Let me see. Yes, it's heavy cream. I couldn't remember if it was half and half or heavy cream, but it is heavy cream. And I did cook these onions and garlic probably for about 8 minutes. This is one of those wonderful recipes that was in Cooking with Paula, Deen magazine, which had some great recipes in it, y'all. Was my sleeve in it?
You didn't fix yourself up.
I know.
Of course, all there.
And what makes me laugh about that? That ain't funny, is it? All right, I'm going to slowly add my heavy cream and incorporate it with the cream cheese and the onions and the garlic. So there we go.
Smells really good.
It does smell good. My nose is stopped up, so I can't. I smell some garlic. All right, so we're just gonna let this simmer, let it stay warm. We are ready. We are ready. This looks so good. All right, just a little salt. A little cracked pepper. And the recipe actually calls for parsley. Didn't have any parsley, but we do have some beautiful fresh thyme and basil. So that's what I'm gonna decorate it with. Now we did good with the cauliflower. And this kind of, that sauce is, I'm sorry, the sauce is what makes it so good. All right. Maybe I just try not to eat so much sauce. Who am I kidding? Love cauliflower. All right, and on the time, I actually kicked it up for the last 5 minutes to the highest temperature, which is 400 on my air fryer. Because I like it kind of roasted looking, kind of dark, but do it the way you like it. Loving best dishes. I'm feeling so good because I'm eating cauliflower. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.